In the realm of the digital, reality takes on a new dimension. Augmented reality, or AR, is a technology that overlays digital information onto the physical world, enhancing our perception. Take a look at ARKit. Developed by Apple, it's a platform that allows developers to create augmented reality experiences for iPhone and iPad. Then there's Google Lens. It's an image recognition tool that uses the power of Google Search to identify objects, landmarks, and even plants in real time. Zapper offers an AR creation tool, allowing anyone to build their own AR experiences. It's like having a magic wand in your pocket. Blipar, another remarkable app, brings everyday objects to life. Scan a product and voila, instant information at your fingertips. And let's not forget about Vuforia, a software that specializes in augmented reality for industrial uses. These are just a few examples of the many tools that are transforming the way we interact with the world. The future is here and it's augmented. Remember, the only limit to AR is your imagination. So explore, create, and augment your reality. Shepherd, your guide to the digital frontier.